Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. From the beginning of the week, the price has changed completely from the bearish into bullish mode. And what we can see here, the first candle on a Monday is a bullish candle. Second one is bullish, third and fourth is bullish. So on a Monday, the price has stopped moving down on the 1.08846 support level and make a break above on 1.09860 resistance level, but the price could not finish the day above. It was pushed back down because of the sellers waiting here and also because of the supply area. So strong wick indicates that the sellers are much stronger here. On the next day, the price continued moving up. What we can see here, we have a still bullish candle with a larger wick, but this time the price has moved up even higher than the previous day, and the price has stopped here above the supply zone. But the price could not stay there for the whole day and returned back down, but the price has closed above open price. So we have a bullish candle. It is also a bearish pin bar on the right resistance level, which indicates the price could move down to the support level, here at 1.08846. But because of the strong bullish sentiment, the price could not move down, and on next day, on Wednesday, we have a pretty strong bullish candle here, and the price has closed above this resistance level, which has indicated that the bulls are much stronger than the sellers and also the supply zone here. On the next day, on the Thursday, the price continued moving up, and what you can see here, the price has managed to reach higher levels than previous week, and also the day has closed above previous week daily highs. So this was a really big indication that the bulls are much stronger than the sellers currently on the market, but the price could not stay there on a Friday. What we can see here on a Thursday, the high of the price is also low of these levels, so this was indication that here is a small zone for the price where the bulls has exited from the trades, locking the profits, and also the sellers were starting also here entering the trade. But what we can see here on a Friday is a bearish candle, and the price has returned back down to 1.09860 zone, but the price has returned back up with a large wick. This also is a signal that the bulls are much stronger and the price will have hard time to break below this level. But currently we have a strong sellers here waiting for the price to move down, and also strong bulls that are pushing the price the whole week up. So it is better to wait until the Monday closes. Also we have here a confluence of the resistance level which will be hard to break, but looking in the last week we can see the bulls are pretty strong. If there is no change in the markets regarding the Europe status right now, we could see here the price returning back and trying to break above this confluence of resistance. If the price manages to close above, the next level is 1.11871, which is the level of decision for the bulls to change the market completely from bearish sentiment into bullish sentiment. If the price closes here the day, we will see the price again in the range area, which was here in the past. From there we will see what the price will do, but it will be still in the downtrend channel, so we will need to pay attention to completely shift from bearish to bullish. But this will be also the second step for the price to move away from the bearish sentiment, which was last several weeks. So if we make a trend lines here on the current status of the market, we can see the uptrend. So we can say that the price will try to follow these trend lines. So here is the support for the price at this level, and the price, if it doesn't break above this confluence of resistance, it will be squeezed here and eventually will break above or down. So this is the current area that we need to watch for the next week. Will the price break above, or it will continue move down, or it will be squeezed here? So I'm expecting to break next week at least here because of the bullish strength here. It will be strange to move completely down and reach the 1.08846 because this current market overview shows a bullish strength. But we never know what will happen, so it is advisable that we wait until the Monday closes, because after the Monday many traders get in the trade and then the market shows the trend for the whole week. If the price comes here for the bullish, price action signals, and the target level would be here around 1.1160, which is also a higher level, but it is also a start of this supply zone. So it is much better to exit from the trade before the price reaches the supply zone, because sometimes the price will not reach the supply zone and will go back down. So it's better to lock the profits before the price reaches a decision level. For the stop loss, the price should not reach this level here, so 1.08846 would be a stop loss level if the price managed to create some kind of bullish price action signal around 1.09860. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!